Good afternoon, Year 9. Hope you are all well. So, time again for an assembly, and as you can see, I am in the comfort of my own kitchen. So you'll have to bear with me as far as technology is concerned. I have tried to, there you go, a few sunflowers just to brighten up your day. I don't know what it's doing where you are, but here it's absolutely pouring down. The only good thing about this horrible weather could be, Year 9, that some of you have done a bit more work this week. So I will look forward to that. All right. So what's up? What we got today for you all? Well, we've got loads of shout outs from various subjects. We've got a really long list from maths because I decided to focus on maths first and to go on to Hegarty to see who'd logged on. So all those who've logged on this week have got a mention. Also, watching you, I can see who's not doing the work. Anyway, I'll talk about that later at the end. All right. So let's start first of all with English. And English superstars, Mrs Haig says, Georgia L, Callum D have been brilliant, consistently sending their work. Well done, you guys. Myself, Mrs Hedley, like to do a big shout out to Lydia G, Daniel A, Luke C, Amy C, Raina and Hannah T for some fabulous work, and I'll be showing you an example of some lovely descriptive writing hopefully at the end. Miss Cooper says big shout out to Danny B, Oliver W and Tia M for consistently brilliant work week in week out. Well done you guys. Mrs Gibson says well done to Freya M, Enya J, Libby D, Robin C and Millie Jo K. Well done you guys. Right, maths. So as I said previously, you're all used to logging on to Hegarty to do your homework anyway, I know you are. But just this week, I thought I'd just have a look at what you were doing, who was doing the task, who was completing the tasks, and who was logging on. So basically, I decided to do a shout out for everybody who's logged on this week. So it's a really long list, so bear with me and listen carefully to your name. All right. So, logged on this week. Here we go. Abigail A, Benjamin D, Madison G, Mia H, Enya J, Oscar N, J Cole, Corey R, Ella S, Oliver W, Mackenzie W, Jessica B, Amy C, Isabel G, Callum R, Samuel R, Evie R, Raina S, Emily C, Sienna G, Freya M, Gracie M, Justin N, I'll take a breath, Natalie W, Emily P, Alicia B, Connor C, Crystal M, Max M, Keen W. Hang on a minute, it's just technology's not working with me today. Please forgive me. I'm a bit rubbish at this. I can't remember. Oh, I can remember where I got up to now. Forgive me. Right. So Max M, Keen W. That's you twice, boys. So that's extra heads up for you too. Danny B, Sam B, Harry C, Aidan E, Jamie F, Jasmine H, Tristan H, Harry K, Georgia L, Tia M, Thomas M, Millie O, Lucy P, forgive me Lucy there, Scarlett T, Nathan T, Lydia A, Adriana C, Tylana D, Millie D, Savannah G, Kira G, Alicia M, Evie N, Grace O, Emma R, Jed R, Kier S, Rihanna S, Ryan T, Bradley W, Sebastian A, Faye B, Frankie B, Ellie C, Alicia F, Isabel H, Matthew S, Oliver W, Holly C, Callum D, Luke J, Todd T, and Louis W. Phew. I managed to get that, and forgive me for the monotonous voice. I was just concentrating really hard. I have no idea what I looked like because I was reading my screen. Anyway, well done to you guys, because what you've done is you've logged on to Hegarty this week. So obviously, guys, I'll be checking Hegarty next week, and I'd like to say even more names that's logged on. So if I haven't logged on at all, because there were a few zeros, and it's perhaps not the time to name and shame, as you realise, but you'll know if you've logged on. So if you can try and log on for next week, that's your challenge. That'd be brilliant. Also, guys, I just point out, if you are having problems logging on for whatever reason, don't think you're sending silly emails, or if you phone school, it will get back to me. Okay, so if you're having any problems logging on, either you can email your teacher directly, or you can contact school directly, or you can email me. All right, so that goes for everything really, but I will check Hegarty Maths. So let's see what we can do for next week. Let's see if we can do a bit better. All right, but well done, you guys. Okay, sorry, I'm just scrolling down now. Just talk amongst yourselves. Hey, right, we're up to Mr. Sutcliffe. There we are. For good, consistent work in computer science goes to Harry K, Keely G, and Ethan G. Well done, you guys. Better at computers than I am. Right, Miss Wilson, got some work here and some photographs, so I don't know how this is going to work. We'll see how it works. Miss Wilson says, please shout out for Holly P. She's made her family cheesecake out of the recipes folder. It's absolutely covered in strawberries and her family loved it, and I've asked her to make it again. What's quite interesting is that Holly actually doesn't like cheesecake, so she's been very selfless and made it for her family. Mrs H likes cheesecake, Holly, just for the record. All right, so I'll show you a picture in a minute. And Lydia G for chipping away the work and sending it. Miss Wilson says, thank you, Lydia. And Year 9, keep on cooking and sending the pics. Send them to Miss Wilson and Miss Allen. And, you know, we need a winner for the store cupboard challenge every week. So she says that. And also Miss Allen sent Freya M. So well done, Freya, and I've got your work in a minute. I'll perhaps show the photographs at the end. Going to Miss Talbot. Miss Talbot says, can you send a massive congratulations, so this must be big, to Tristan H for his super fast and excellent response to this week's work for sports science. Well done, Tristan. Mr. Whiteman says he's had some work from Sebastian A, Nathan C and Jack E. Keep sending it in, he says. Well done, you guys. Science. Miss Capel nominates Nathan T and Danny B, but she does say she'd like some more work, please, from the rest of the class. So see what you can do with that one. All right. Mr. Robinson says Freya M is the one who's doing the most work by far. So I think in that class, Mr. Robinson's class, I think there's a challenge there. Mrs. Robinson's class, get to it. A bit more science work, please. From history, Miss Hitch nominates Daniel A, who's been working so hard on Seneca. And I can completely concur with that because Daniel sent me some lovely work in for English too. So well done you, Daniel. Right, I'm going to try now and show some pictures. So let's see if I can do this. Not very well, guys, don't know. Next time I might have to, well, I'll try and do something different. Hang on a minute, I'm just going to turn around. Can you see that? This is really rubbish, isn't it? This is not working. I tell you what I might do. What I might do, guys, is I might get somehow Mr. Wright to add the photographs at the end. I thought I could just turn it round, but I don't think it's not working. Anyway, I've got pictures from Freya and Holly and Lydia, and I've got some lovely descriptive writing from Hannah T. So hopefully when I give this, whoopsie daisy, when I send this video to Mr. Wright, he might just add the photographs in at the end. All right. So I don't feel too, well, I do feel a little bit embarrassed because I kind of messed it up, but never mind. Okay, right. What? Not much to say. Mr. Nigel sends his best wishes. He's at home, and basically I've been having a conversation with Mrs. Wharton. Now, I'll lean in here because Mrs. Wharton's year 8s are like sending in more work than anybody. All right. Now, I've had a discussion, and she's my friend. So I don't want to say I want to beat her, but I do. All right. So I wondered, year 9, if we can really sort of try really, really hard to send loads of work to our teachers this week. And I don't mind if my virtual assembly goes on half an hour. Well, probably you do, but half an hour if I've got loads of names to mention, which just makes me feel so pleased and so proud. Okay. Also, another idea, and it's Mrs. Wharton's really, is that all those of you who've had a mention today, and there's a few of you, particularly in the Hegarty Maths group, just have a word with your mates who, you know, haven't had a mention, and just to try and talk them into saying, you know, let's aim for getting your name mentioned next week. Okay, so as I say, I don't mind if you send me work directly. That would be lovely. You send it to your teachers, and hopefully your teachers will mention it. I send an email out to teachers on kind of Tuesday to remind them to send me some names forward. Okay, I think that's about it really. Hopefully Mr. Wright can sort out my rubbish technology. Don't know what I was thinking, trying to think I could just turn the phone round. It's bad enough trying to get the sunflowers in. But anyway, hopefully that's brought a bit of colour and sunshine to a very grey day. Okay, so all there is from me is to say take care, keep safe, keep yourselves busy, lots of work out there for you to do, and be in touch. Let me know what you're up to. Send me any pictures of what you've been doing, and it makes me very happy. All right, Year 9, you take care and have a lovely weekend. All right, bye.